Hey guys, so let us review the Deferit. Deferit pays your bills upfront, utilities, internet insurance, then you repay it in four bi-weekly interest-free payments. It also reports your payments to credit bureaus and negotiates with bill savings, taking a small share of any discounts. So the pros with this is that it is actually flexible, builds credit, and convenient. Fee Cons for this is that it has a high fee, which includes $15 per month membership plus 1.5% per payment. So it also has an occasional delay and support gap, which includes no phone line support, relies on email or chat with some response or delayed. So the final verdict for this that this Defrit is a smart tool for something out bill payments and building credit, especially if you stick to essentials and monitor closely. Just be aware of the membership cost and occasional delays and limited support.